Hey guys, so welcome back to my video. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah. Ooh. Now we're totally back and ready to go. Everything that I'm going to have in here is going to be drugstore brand. And so now I'm going to go in with a little drugstore hack for you girls out there that love luminous foundation. This one's for you, babies. So I'm going to take a little bit of the WELEDA Skin Food, which is an amazing moisturizer, very amazing for the skin. I'm going to take a little bit of a Broken City Color Sunset Bronzer. Take a little bit of that on a brush. I'm going to mix it in. Now look, you have a luminous moisturizer and primer. So I'm going to put that on the skin. Now let's put this hair up. What are we doing? We're going to put this hair up first. Alright. Giving us some glow. Hello. I live for glowy skin. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the color 368 Deep Golden. Take a little bit under my hand. Take a little bit everywhere, just everywhere, all over me. Put that on the skin. I am loving how beautiful my foundation looks with the brush. So I've been applying it like this lately. I want to stay true to what I usually would do. And I would usually use a brush. Everything is drugstore in this video. Even me, I'm drugstore. No. I might be drugstore, low key and high key. Okay. And with my Instant Age Rewind, guys, Maybelline is just, you know, popping off for your girl lately. And I have been such a fan of like YouTube videos in general. And so when I saw that they finally had this in my shade, man, I was gagging. I'm in the color tan, by the way. And this stuff is thick. So now I'm going to use a Morphe sponge, which I feel like is very comparable to the Real Technique sponge as far as the actual sponge and just the cut of it. And this is very thick, so we're going to blend now for a little minute. And what I like to do now is I like to take the other side and kind of meet my foundation over the top just a little bit, just so it blends in effortlessly. Blending in these drugstore products remind me of when I was younger and how I thought like buying $10 foundation was just like, I was cool. I had money. It's crazy to think that I used to get excited about the smallest things. But I was grateful. And I feel like I'm still grateful. I just have perspective now. Now that we blend it. Not sponsored. Wouldn't that be so cool though? Drugstore. This is an actual Dollar Tree brush. So scrap drugstore. This is like King of Kings drugstore hack. Go get you some Wet n Wild brushes, boo. I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color medium. Take a little bit of that. And I actually just pat it in a little bit. This is my new technique I've been liking, whereas I don't bake, I just put it in, wipe it away. Like I said in my earlier videos, when you're dark, you kinda have to, you can't really go too crazy. I love to take my Real Techniques or Morphe sponge and cut my cheeks. I have really high cheekbones and I love emphasizing them. Shout out to all you girls out there with high cheekbones. Shout out to all you girls with cheeks, period. And I go for my ear, kind of like decreasing my mouth. We're not baking, we're actually just pressing it in, and then we're gonna quickly take it away. And you can make a straight line if you're like super anal about that, but I'm just like, girl, just get out my face. Just put it there. Get there, girl. We're gonna take the same brush. I'm gonna quickly dust it away. I love this powder. I've been using this for like maybe like 2 weeks now, and it is bomb. All you drugstore babies did not put me on this. Like, girl, I was sleeping. Take some water on a spoolie, a little bit of this Pears soap from the drugstore. We're gonna do our brows with it. And we're gonna do it kind of damp, but not too much to where it's taking up our foundation. So now we're going to take our bronzer of choice. This obviously brand new. I just got this in the mail PR. Take the same brush. We're gonna dig in there. Honest guys, I'm a cheapskate, but I actually have one coming in the mail, so. Yeah. We're gonna give that double chin some love, girl. We're gonna give it that work. So I'm going to take highlighting brush and that same City Color bronzer. Drugstore who? Wait, bridge of the nose. We got to go back to them brows, but girl, don't worry about the brows. Don't worry about the brows. Now, I'm going to take an e.l.f. brow pencil, just like a regular run-of-the-mill brow pencil. I like this one because it's very thick and waxy. And I feel like my brows are pretty much as full as they're gonna be. So I like to do like a tail and kind of give it some 3D dimension. Just gonna fill in those sparse areas. I'm going to take this baby. Shayla popped off, Maybelline popped off. This should have been a Maybelline sponsor. I don't know if y'all won't tell them. I don't know if y'all want to put them on your girl. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and dust it off because she is pigmented. These little City Color minis are bomb. Okay, I don't have a bag one. Do you see that? Who they have it out for? Like, who do y'all have it out for, Maybelline? Who said that y'all couldn't do drugstore? Like a drugstore bead? Who told y'all that? Who said that? I didn't even blend this out all the way. Do you see this? Ooh, she's surprised. Like, she's highlighted? She's blushed? What? What? We're cute. We're cute. And we're inexpensive. And we're drugstore. And that's a life hack for you guys. Everything in this video is drugstore. Everything. Oh, shit. Extreme sport. Oh my God. Y'all, there is a girl out here that love pickles. Like, I love pickles. I don't know what's your name. I don't know where you are from. Be my friend. We can be friends. The only thing is, I do make self-deprecating jokes and I do a little bit of self-loathing. But we could get around all that. Okay. She's cute. She's cheap. She's drugstore chic.